All right. Well, welcome back. We're still in CO5, contextually effective practitioner. And specifically, we're going to be looking at an LE that I'm going to pull up here, which is called Becoming a Better Leader by Using the Coach Approach. And you may be asking, well, what's the coach approach? And honestly, the first time I was exposed to coaching, I took a week-long coaching class. And when they started describing what it was, I was very skeptical. I thought, okay, you're telling me that I'm going to help another person solve a problem, but I don't have to know anything about their problem, but I do need to be able to ask important questions and move them through a rote number of steps. You need to go through this step and ask this question, then this step and ask this question, then this step and ask this question. And by the end of that, they will have had some sort of an epiphany in which they will have discovered the very thing that they were struggling with. And I simply am going to be a part of that process by asking good questions. I thought there is no way this is going to work. This is hocus pocus. This is not real. Then what happened was I started doing it in this class. And I was shocked as I just went through the basic questions that they asked me to, that these people would actually have the epiphanies that they needed to take the next step in some aspect of life that they were stuck on, or in their job, or something they were just trying to figure out. I was blown away. It was completely something I didn't believe could happen. So that's what this LE is all about. And you can see on the right side here, as we look at the work to complete, that you will practice using the coach approach in class with your learning community, with some other people there. Then you're going to select some people outside your learning community, and you're going to continue taking them through the process and asking the questions and helping them to navigate a problem that they have. You'll then take notes and you'll share with your learning community and your mentors the things that you've been learning. You'll get their feedback as to what you can do for the next appointment. You'll schedule another appointment, and you'll continue that process until either the problem is solved, or that at this point, since we're just trying to help you to gain that competency, how many other meetings you might need with another person to gain competency. You will then write up your final notes. You'll make a submission. You'll get more feedback, and then you'll write a reflective paper on what did you learn by using this thing called the coach approach, and how will it help you as you move maybe into another culture and trying to help other people solve problems, understanding their worldview, which we looked at last time, or not their worldview, but understanding their context and contextualizing this approach for them, so they can figure out how to solve problems that they may have where you don't need to be an insider to solve that problem. So that's the coach approach, a very, very helpful tool. It teaches you to be a good listener, to engage well, and to not feel like you have to have all the answers. There you have it.